And I'm going to go ahead and create a plane right about here somewhere. And I want to center that plane. If I want, I can turn on snap, but this should be close enough. Now I need to make sure that this plane is the exact same size of the drawing that we're using. So I'm going to go back over to Photoshop. You don't have to use Photoshop. You can use just about any image editor to do this. And I'm going to select my top view. And I'm just going to go image size. And that'll tell me it's 676 by 330 pixels. So that will give me basically the aspect ratio that I need to create my image plane that I'm going to map this to. So I'm going to minimize that, go back here. And instead of being 676 by 330, I'm going to cut that down by 10. So I'm going to make it 670.6, so 67.6 by 33.0. And that should give me a plane that's approximately the same size that I need. Now I need to map the image to this plane. How do I do that? Well, one thing I'm going to do is I'm also going to go ahead and take out all the subdivisions, so it's just a 1x1 plane here. It's great to get an image that I can map onto this. I need to go over to my material editor and create a material. So click on this, select an open slot, and we can leave it at blend. All I'm really concerned with is this diffuse channel. And if you click this button right next to the diffuse channel, brings up our maps, and I just want to put a bitmap in there, so I double click. And all I have to do is go up to my desktop, exercise files. The name of this exercise is NURBS car. And I'm going to go mini top, because we're going to start with our top view. Open that. If you want to get a better look at it, you can go ahead and change that to a cube, so you can kind of see how it looks. Pretty much what I need. And I'm just going to go ahead and click and drag that to my viewport. If I go smooth plus highlights, it doesn't show up. Why?